Why should you even start it at the first place? Because just blindly follow everything the internet says, right? We need to first study and we need to figure out on our own that is it worth something that will help you or help me. We're gonna figure that out first. The most popular slash viral slash buzzing word slash habit that has been around a long time now is journaling. And I thought I need to figure out what this is. I need to convince myself first that I will do it, and if it doesn't vibe, I'm gonna leave it. Also, if you're a guy watching this, don't you dare to think that these are girly stuff, okay? David Goggins in one of his interviews said that he literally studies himself and studies his mind. So no, these are not girly stuff. Anyone should try it, no matter if you're a girl or a boy. So the first thing that I got to know is you need to have a diary. Diary has been with me for many years. It's been with me since I was in 7th class. But I'm not gonna use this because 2 years back, with a lot of confidence, my sister got both of us a journal in 2024. It's been inside the Almira for so yeah, let's find that diary. So these are the two diaries that we had. Done till February. I have done it for whole 2 months and I didn't know, it didn't make sense to me back then, so I stopped. Though after watching a couple of YouTube videos, I have got the answer to what is journaling, why should you start journaling, and the different types of journaling. So starting with what, इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा बड़ा चीज़ नहीं है. Journaling is basically writing down your thoughts. Whatever thoughts you have, you write it. और इसका रीज़न ये है, to write you need to be really clear about what you want to write. So when you are thinking, you can think anything, okay, but when you're writing you need to be clear in your head about what you want to write and then you write. So you know there's this really Pinteresty quote or that image that comes कि एक साइड बहुत overthinking वाला पेंसिल से scribbled है and then thread एक ऐसे जाती है जो कि you know it's like solved और सुलझा हुआ thread. That is what happens when you write. How do we actually do the writing part? तो ऐसा कुछ complicated नहीं है. You just write whatever you feel. You feel sad, you feel happy, you think you could have done something better, you just write it. Take a diary, take a journal, something like that, where you know you've got a to-do list, you've got I will remember today by type of diary entries, or a random question you take from ChatGPT that you know I want to journal and give me some prompts and you write about it. You can take a normal notebook, a diary, whatever you want, and yeah. Since there are different types of thoughts that we have, so journaling is of different types. So I'll give you like a photo that I watched from a videos. The first is about productivity, the second is about time management, the third is about gratitude, and the fourth was about daily habit. So when we talk about time management, it's how you can manage your time well so you can do more of the things that you're doing. How you can get more work done is basically about the productivity part. And then daily habits is when you have got, you know, आज ये हुआ, आज ये अच्छा हुआ, ये आज बुरा हुआ, आज ऐसा कुछ करना था, something like that. And gratitude is basically being thankful about what you have and to keep you grounded, that you know ज़्यादापन हवा में नहीं उड़े and we are happy with what we have, and to have that feeling of contentment and satisfaction is about gratitude journaling. ये बेसिक है, ये समझ में आया है, and I think I'm gonna give it a go because let's do this. I'm gonna try this for a week, and next week, today is Monday, right? Next Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm gonna come back here with a 1-week update and see you then. And hey, welcome to MeFied. अब अगर वेलकम हो ही गया है तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लो ताकि अगली बार वेलकम बैक हो जाए. ओके बाय.